Welcome students. Today we discuss the topic is functions. That means அதுக்கு முன்னாடி வந்து World Bank's lending procedures நம்ம pending இருக்குமா, so அதை பார்த்துட்டு next topic போயிடலாம். World Bank's lending procedure. So already World Bank பத்தி பார்த்தோம், இதுதானே? World Bank lending procedure. ஓகேங்களா? So page number 160 ல இருக்குமா, page number 160. The World Bank's lending procedure, the advanced loans. Okay, so in three ways la members ku kodupanga. First one is loans out of its own fund. Okay, then second one is loans out of borrowed capital, and third one loans through banks guarantee. Okay, that's all. So about three ways la namakku members ku loan podum. Eppdila loan out of its own fund, then loans out of borrowed capital, and loans through banks guarantee. Then the banks has changed its development loan strategy and laws, more emphasis on financing schemes which directly influence the well-being of poor masses of the member countries. Okay, especially the developing countries. So the changes is development loan strategy and lays more emphasis in சொல்லலாம். So financing schemes பொறுத்தவரை நமக்கு more emphasis இருக்கும். Financing schemes more emphasis. Financing schemes more emphasis. Okay, on the financing scheme, which directly influence the well-being of poor masses of the member countries. So especially the developing countries. That's all. So the amount of agricultural loan has increased more rapidly. So agricultural loans பாத்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்மா. Okay, so agricultural loans has increased more rapidly than any other sector. The bank now also takes interest in the activities of the development of rural areas. The activities எப்பவுமே rural areasல தான் நமக்கு agricultural loans ரொம்ப இதா இருக்கும். So அது என்னலாம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா, first one such as spread of education among the rural people. Okay, the second one development of roads in rural areas, and third one electrification of the village. That's all. So there are three rural areas la நமக்கு என்ன development பண்ணுவாங்க. அது என்னென்ன areas na spread of education among the rural people, then development of roads in rural areas, then electrification of the village. That's all. So next topic is functions. Next topic is functions of IMF. the functions of IMF. என்னென்ன functions இருக்குன்னா, the World Bank performs the major role of providing loans for development works to member countries. To member countries, especially the underdeveloped countries. Especially underdeveloped countries. Okay, so the World Bank provides long-term loans. World Bank எதை provide பண்ணும்? Long-term loans for various development projects. Article 1 of agreement sheets. The functions are performed by the World Bank. So such as follows, ma. First one is a investment for productive purposes. Investment for productive purposes. The World Bank performs the function of assisting in the reconstruction and development of territories of members nation through the facility of investment for productive purpose. So productive purpose ku nama invest பண்றது. Okay, the World Bank function la first one development of productive purpose. So it also encourages the development of productive facilities and resources is less developed countries. Less developed countries. Okay, that's all. Then second one is a balanced growth of international trade. So promoting the long-range balanced growth of trade at international level and the maintaining equilibrium in balance of payments member nations by encouraging international investment. Okay, so promoting long-range balanced growth. Balanced growth of trade. International level and maintaining equilibrium balance of payments members nations by encouraging the international investment. Okay, international investment. That's all. Then third one is a provision of loans and guarantees. Provision of loans and guarantees. Provisions of loans and guarantees the arranging the loans or providing guarantees or loans by various other channels. So execute import projects loan guarantees provide பண்றது. Okay, so arranging the loans, or providing guarantees on loans by various other channel so as to execute important project. That's all. Next one is a promotion of foreign private investment. Promotion of foreign private investment. The promotion of private foreign investment by means the guarantees on loans and other investments made by the private investors. Okay, ma? So, this is the word guarantees on loans and other investment made by private investors. Made by private investors. Okay, so promotion of foreign private investment and guarantees on loans and other investment made by private investors. That's all. Then the bank supplements private investment by providing finance for productive purpose out of its own resources or from borrowed funds. Okay. So next one is a technical services. Technical services, the World Bank facilitates different kinds of technical services. So the member countries through the staff, college and experts. The technical services. World Bank facilities. World Bank facilitates different kinds of technical service to the members countries through staff, college and experts. Okay, that's all. So next one is the achievements of World Bank. Achievements of World Bank achievements. So the World Bank achievements of World Bank. So the World Bank is said to be a successful achieving the primary objective of reconstruction and development. Reconstruction and development of war ravaged nations. That's all. So it helped greatly in the reconstructions of Europe after the World War II. So it has been providing developed and developing countries the same treatment in the process of growth. Process of growth. Okay. So it is noted that the banks, first one, it is noted that the bank's membership that increased from the initial number of 30 countries to 68 countries in 1960 and 151 countries in 1988. So the IBRD has 189 member countries. That's all. Then second one is The bank grants medium and long-term loans. Okay, that is the payable over a period of 15 to 20 members. Payable over a period of 15 to 20 years. So for reconstruction and development purposes to the member countries. The actual term of loan depends upon the estimated useful life of the equipment or plant financed. Okay, then third one, initially the World Bank's loan were mainly directed at the European countries for financing their programs of reconstruction. So financing their program of reconstruction. So later it changed its development loan strategy and lays more emphasis of financial schemes. Lays more strategy and lays. And lays more emphasis of financing schemes. For the poor masses, the developing countries. Then fourth one is the World Bank grants loans to member countries only for productive purposes, particularly for agriculture, irrigation, power and transport. Only for productive purposes, particularly for agriculture, irrigation, power and transport. Okay, so in other words, the bank strengthens infrastructure needed for further development. Bank strengthens infrastructure needed for further development. Fifth one is the International Development Association, that means IDA. The soft loan window of the bank provides loan to UDCS at very low rate of interest. Very low rate of interest. So the economic inequality among the member countries goes on the increasing. So many African countries or has to be improve their economic status. So economic status is very, very important. So international development association IDA. So soft land window of the bank provides loans to UDCS at very low rate of interest. very low rate of interest. So the inequality, economic inequality among the member countries goes on increasing. Then African countries need to improve their economic status. That's all. So next, India and World Bank. So India and World Bank. அப்படின்னா என்ன சரிங்களா? India and World Bank. India and World Bank. So the name International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So that the name of the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. So it was first suggested by India to the drafting committee. Drafting committee. Since then the two have developed a close relationship with each other from forming and policies of economic development in India. So financing the implementation of these policies, so the World Bank given large financial assistance to India for economic development. So the special mention may be made the assistance World Bank given that India is a development of infrastructure such as electric power, transport, then communication, then irrigation, projects, and steel industry. Okay, so the World Bank assisted a number of projects in India. The IFSC has identified the 5 priority areas, namely capital market, capital market development, direct foreign investment, access to foreign markets, so equity investments in new expanding companies and infrastructure. So the World Bank has also associated in India accelerating programs poverty alleviation, and economic development. So until China became the member. China became the member of World Bank. in 1980. So India was the largest beneficiary of the World Bank assistance. That's all. So World Bank details full next World Trade Organization. Okay, so next class we will see the next topic, World Trade Organization. Okay, thank you students. Thank you so much. So we will see next class. Bye.